Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fantasy Art Friday video. In this video, I'm working on a drawing of a butterfly dragon. I've wanted to try this idea for a while, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to try some interesting and bright colouring. So for the outlining, I started off with a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03, and then as I started adding thicker outlines and some entirely blocked in areas of ink, I used a few different Pigma Micron pens. I used 01, 05, and a brush pen. I spent a lot of time on the outlines, I think about 4 hours in total, and I just wanted to make sure they were as clean and as smooth as possible. For the colouring, I used Copic Markers, and for areas like the dragon's head, body, arms, and its legs, I used Cool Grey 3, 5, and 7, along with a black marker for some of the darker areas of shading, and I made sure to blend between all these markers to create a nice, smooth gradient. Then for the colouring of all the different wings across the dragon's body, I used ice blue, sky blue, light pink, and cerise. And working with these colours was so much fun. I feel like they really complement each other, and they contrast well with the grey tones of the dragon's body. On top of all this colouring, I made sure to add some highlights with a white Prismacolor pencil, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uniball white ink pen. It was such a fun process, and I really hope you enjoy watching this time-lapse. For the background, I added a couple of layers of cloud, using pale heath and pale blue-grey markers. I also added some particle effects, some highlights, and a few finishing touches to the dragon, and after that this drawing was completed. And overall it took about 7 hours to complete, and it was so fun to work on. I always enjoy working on dragon drawings, and I've been looking forward to trying this idea for a long time, Please be sure to let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.